I'm providing an update this afternoon, a COVID update. We've got some feedback coming through the area managers and other staff. Even though we've only got 4 and a bit days left until we get to 80% double vaxxed and different rules, we know that there are COVID inspectors out in the workplace and they've been visiting some of our member sites today. The fine was given out last week to a member, and I just want to provide some information to make sure we've got as much protection as possible. And again, we're heading to the end of this, so we've got to keep our wits about us. So 1, your COVIDSafe Plan. Have you got one, and have you filled it out? If you just download it and don't fill it out, it's not worth anything. You've actually got to fill it out and contextualise it to your workplace. Have you got a vaccination status register ready for somebody to look at? Your cleaning schedule. Have you got one? Have you downloaded one? We've got some links to one of those here for you today. Your staff register and your staff rosters, are they there? And again, if an inspector asks for them, could you provide them? QR codes. There's no point having it stuck on the door. You've got to make sure that people actually use them, and only people allowed in your business are there. And making sure that as people are coming in and out of your business, that they're outside where they should be outside. So what's happening is inspectors are turning up, they're asking for people's COVIDSafe plans and some of these other documents, and if they don't reflect what's actually happening in the workplace, they're either providing warnings or giving fines out where that's appropriate. So what I'm asking members to do is, this is the golden question when it comes to audit. Show me are the words that you should expect an auditor to ask you, somebody coming and checking on your site. Show me your COVIDSafe plan, show me your vaccination reports, and show me these other documents. So I'm just asking this afternoon or this evening, just go through and check those documents are in place. So if I turned up tomorrow on your work site and said, show me these bits of paper, you've got them handy, they're up to date, and you're actually reflecting that activity in your workplace.